Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Battlefield 6 sound or audio issues. So here follow the steps. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click on your default device, for example speakers, and select Properties. Then go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off option. Then click Apply, OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then hit Apply, OK. Go to Enhancement tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Battlefield 6 and check. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, then right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Then right click on your headphones and select Properties. Then go to Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Then click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Now make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. Look for audio setting within the Battlefield 6 game menu and ensure that volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect such peripherals devices that are not necessary, such as camera, USB devices, phones, etc. Fifth solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and test it for improvement. Sixth solution is to update audio drivers. To do so, open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. Then click on Search Automatically for drivers and wait for the process to be completed. And after that, you can launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to update DirectX. In some cases, reinstalling DirectX has resolved some sound issues. You can find the instruction on how to reinstall DirectX from the Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.